use Google Drawings as a collaborative whiteboard with your students. To get to Google Drawings from your Google Drive, click New, More, and Drawings. Alternately, if you're in Google, you can search drawings.google.com. This will take you to your blank canvas. First thing you want to do is make sure you name your drawing. You have many tools that you can use. You have shapes, which you can add a variety of different shapes. To change the color, click on the Fill Color and change the color. You can also change the border color and make it thicker. To remove an item, simply click on it and press the Delete key. In addition to a variety of shapes, there are arrows if you want to make a flowchart, callouts, which includes thought bubbles, as well as some math tools. You also have access to a text box. Click on this tool, draw your text box, and type in what you want. To change how the font looks, simply highlight, change the font here. You can change the font size. If you want it to be larger, you can pull it out. You can also change the text color, as well as highlight. If you need to center it, use this tool. You can move it around by grabbing the perimeter and dragging it. You also have access to lines. There are lines, arrows, which can be adjusted in size, as well as in color. If you want to move the arrow, be sure you're on the Select tool, click on it, and you can move it around. These are also resizable. The Scribble tool will allow you to free write. Click on the Select key to select both items to change them at the same time, both their color and their weight. If you want to keep these two items together, simply drag your mouse over them so that they're both selected. Click Arrange and Group. Once they're grouped together, they will be moved together. You can also insert word art. Simply type your text, press Enter, and then you can format the word art. Change the font, change the fill color, change the outline, and also you can change the border weight. This can look different based on what font you choose. This is completely resizable and movable. You can also add charts, diagrams, tables. You can insert an image you can upload from your computer, search the web, or if you have some items on your Google Drive that you want to access, you can click on one of them, click Insert. Again, completely resizable and movable. What's great about Google Drawings is you can add your students to the drawing and it can become collaborative. Simply click on the Share button and either add students' email addresses or get the shareable link where anyone who has the link can edit. Copy the link, share that link in Google Classroom, and your students will be able to access the Google Drawing. Once a person joins your Google Drawing, you will see their icon at the top. This is either represented by their initial or if they have added a picture to represent themselves. As a person adds items to your Google Drawing, you will see them reflected here. You can see this is pink because this person is also pink. When they add information, it will automatically show up on your Google Drawing. Once a person adds an item, you have the ability to move it around as you see fit, as do they. And those are just some of the ways you can use Google Drawings as a whiteboard with your students when you're teaching from home.